I mean, Don Bradman played in 1931.
Oh.
I mean, I was born in 1951.
Oh, okay, all right. I beg your pardon. But you were part of the playing 11 at Lord's where you made your debut in 1975 when Alan Knott, Tony Gregg was part of the England team. You had Sonny Gavaskar, Sonny G of course, like how we fondly call him. Those days must have been awesome memories, sir, for you.
I can tell you one thing, we had a great time, playing for the country, and I'm more so happy that it was an honor, to play for India. I mean, we had a good team, but unfortunately during the World Cup, first World Cup in 1975, we had no idea how to play limited over games. So there was no planning, there was no strategy as such. So game plan was never made. Unfortunately, we didn't do well in 75 and 79 World Cup, which I played. But since 83, winning the World Cup under Kapil Dev's leadership, and since then till today, Indian cricket team has never looked back, and they have climbed every step, every mountain, like they've climbed the Mount Everest.
Absolutely. To reach to that level of playing India, first class games, you bowled 25,000 plus deliveries. You picked up 250 wickets plus. You scored a first class 100. You played 39 test matches and 19 one-day international. That says it all, isn't it, during your journey, sir?
Well, whatever, the number of matches I've played for the country, for Mumbai, for certain matches I've played for Saurashtra also. But the kind of cricket I played, I really enjoyed myself, and it was a great honor to play for any state, and it's an ultimate honor to play for the country. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Yeah.
Awesome. There's a couple of more things, sir. Sir, you were also part of the same playing 11 where Mr. Eknath Solkar, the legendary Eknath Solkar, the world's best known short leg fielder, was there at that time. The kind of mindset, what was it during that time?
Well, Eki, we used to call him Eknath Solkar, we used to call him Eki. And Eki was the most God-gifted cricketer ever, in India. I mean, you ask him to bowl spin, he could do that. He can open the inning, he can go number 4, he can go number 9. Ask him to bowl with a new ball, he would do it. And you ask him to field anywhere, he's very readily, smilingly, he will oblige the captain. But, his position at short leg made it very special. It was done by none other than Tiger Pataudi. Nobody was ready to stay there, at forward short leg. In Eki, kept his finger up. He said, "Sir, I will do that." And he did that. And since then, that particular position is known as the Eknath Solkar position.
That is such a memory, sir. I got goosebumps when I asked you about Eknath, sir, because it is tough to stand at short leg, especially when you're facing bowlers bowling at least 135, 140 in those days without helmets.
Yeah. Well, it requires a lot of courage. Why we consider, Sunil Gavaskar is the best batsman in the world. I mean, of course, Sachin has scored a lot of runs, but Sachin always used, the helmet. Sunil Gavaskar in his entire career never wore a helmet, and he faced the quality fast bowlers. And not only from one team, like West Indies only, but, even Pakistan had a great quality fast bowlers in Imran Khan, Sarfraz Nawaz, Sikandar Bakht. England had Bob Willis, and many others. Australia had Thompson, Dennis Lilly. So getting runs, against all these, the top quality bowlers, fast bowlers, and, in their own country, which is absolutely remarkable. And that's why Sunil Gavaskar is the greatest cricketer ever.
Absolutely. Won't take too much time of yours. Last question, sir. What was the thought process behind starting this Kasan Gavri Trophy?
Well,
It's the fourth season now.
no, actually, the real name is Ajit Wadekar Trophy. I mean, he's been doing, it along with Mr. Anil Joglekar and the entire team. We've been, Wadekar Saab has been conducting, this tournament for last 32 years. Last a few years, Ashok Wadekar was also a part of the team. He still is, and he was also a president. But last few years, I'm there, and our team is doing extremely good job, to update, our friends, good cricketers, young cricketers. We very recently, we had 16 teams in Mumbai in October, and in possibly February and March, we will have a very big event in West Zone, possibly at Mumbai, Ahmedabad, and maybe Pune. So everything is at the planning stages, and I'm sure as the time progresses, we will do well. And all this team, the players, सारे खिलाड़ियों को बहुत मौका मिलेगा अच्छा खेलने का और बड़ी-बड़ी अच्छी टीम के साथ खेलने का मौका मिलेगा. मैं चाहता हूं कि बस our cricket is now flourish, they do well, and I wish them all the very best. Yeah.
Awesome, sir. Brilliant. Thank you so much for your time, sir. Thank you so much for these encouraging words. I said it during the start of the tournament. Indian women's team has won the World Cup. Indian men's team has, of course, won the World Cup. I'm sure these people, this particular category also will win the World Cup very soon.
Well, for your knowledge, we've already won a World Cup in 2019. In Indian physically handicapped cricket in 2019, we won the World Cup in England. In
Wow.
Worcester. There were 8 teams participating.
Okay.
And on a similar manner, probably in March or April, we want to do the World Cup in India.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Would love to be a part of that also if given an opportunity.
Of course you will be there, yeah.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Pleasure meeting you. Kasan Gavri, sir, the legend of the game. Thank you, sir.